Hello everyone, in this video I am going to walk you through a complete Clio tutorial for beginners. This video is designed for anyone who wants to understand how to use Clio for legal case management. We will go through the main parts of the platform and look at how law firms and legal professionals can organize work, manage cases, track time, and handle billing using Clio. To begin, you need access to a Clio account. Open your browser and search for Clio, then open the official Clio website from the search results. On the main page, you will see options to request a demo or start a free trial. If you want a guided overview, you can request a demo by filling in your details. If you prefer to explore on your own, you can start a free trial. Click on the free trial option, follow the sign-up steps, enter your email and firm details, and verify your email address. Once this is done, you will be logged into your Clio account and taken to the main dashboard. After logging in, you will land on the Clio dashboard. This is the central place where you can see an overview of your daily work. The dashboard gives you quick access to tasks, calendar events, billing information, and performance metrics. This layout is designed to help you understand what needs attention right away without having to search through menus. On the left side of the screen, you will see the main navigation menu. This menu includes dashboard, calendar, tasks, matters, contacts, activities, billing, accounts, documents, communications, reports, app integrations, and settings. This sidebar is where you move between different parts of Clio. You can collapse it if you want more space on the screen and expand it again at any time. Before going deeper, it is useful to know that Clio also provides learning resources. Clio Academy offers free on-demand training courses that help you understand how to use the software better. There is also an official Clio YouTube channel with step-by-step tutorials. These resources are helpful if you want to learn advanced features later. Back on the dashboard, you will notice a few quick action buttons near the top. One of the most important tools is the timer. This timer allows you to track time spent on tasks or legal work. Click the timer to start tracking time. When you finish, click it again to stop the timer. After stopping, you can edit the time entry. You can choose a category, add a description, select a related matter, choose the date, assign a firm user, and apply a billing rate if the time is billable. This makes time tracking simple and accurate, which is important for billing clients later. If the entry was just a test, you can delete it easily. Next to the timer, you will find a quick add button. This button lets you create new items without leaving the dashboard. From here, you can add a time entry, expense, task, matter, contact, payment, trust request, email log, phone log, internal message, event, or note. This saves time and helps you stay focused on your work. You will also see a notifications icon. This area shows updates related to your firm, such as task changes, matter updates, or system notifications. Checking this regularly helps you stay informed. Scrolling down the dashboard, you will see today's agenda. This section shows tasks that are due today. If you have no tasks, it will be empty, but once tasks are added, they will appear here. There is a quick add option to create a new task directly from this section. When creating a task, you need to enter a task name. This should clearly describe what needs to be done. Next, you choose the priority, which helps indicate how urgent the task is. Then add a description if more details are needed. You can assign the task to yourself or another user in the firm. There is also an option to mark the task as private. When a task is private, it is only visible to the creator, the assigned user, and administrators. You can also select a task type and task status, such as pending, in progress, in review, or complete. Clio allows you to estimate how long the task will take using different time formats. You can link the task to a specific matter and set a due date. Reminders can be added so you do not forget. Once everything is filled in, click Save and the task will appear on the dashboard. When a task is completed, you can click the circle icon next to it. This marks the task as done and adds a line through the task name, making it easy to see completed work. On the right side, you will see the calendar section. This shows your scheduled events for the day. If there are no events, it will say so. You can add a new event by clicking the Add button. When creating an event, enter a title, invite attendees, set the start and end time, and choose whether it is an all-day event. You can also make it repeat if needed. You can add a location or link the event to a video call if you have connected tools like Zoom in your settings. You can associate the event with a matter, add reminders, and choose whether it appears on the firm calendar or just your personal calendar. Event types can also be customized with colors so deadlines and meetings are easy to identify. Add a description if needed and save the event. Another important section on the dashboard is billable hours tracking. This shows how much billable time you have recorded compared to your targets. Clio updates daily data frequently and weekly, monthly, and yearly data on a regular schedule. You can set your personal billing targets in the settings area under your profile. Here you can define default billing rates, target billings, working days, and your fiscal year end. Once targets are set, the dashboard will show progress toward those goals. You can compare expected and actual numbers for different time periods. This helps you understand performance and workload. You will also see firm-wide billing metrics. This section gives an overview of drafted, unpaid, and overdue bills across the firm. It helps firm administrators understand the financial health of the practice. If you want to create a new bill, you can use the Quick Add option and select billable clients to generate invoices. Now let us move to one of the most important parts of Clio, which is Matters. Matters represent legal cases or projects. Click on Matters in the left menu to view existing matters or create a new one. To add a new matter, click Create New and select Matter. Clio allows you to use matter templates. Templates save time by pre-filling common fields. You can create templates in advance and select them when creating new matters. If you do not have a template, you can start from scratch. When creating a matter, you first select or add a contact. This is usually the client. Then enter a matter description and choose the responsible attorney and originating attorney if applicable. You can add a client reference number, location, practice area, and matter stage. You also set the matter status, such as open, pending, or closed. Important dates can be added, including open date, close date, and statute of limitations date. Clio allows you to track whether statute requirements are satisfied. Matter permissions control who can access the matter. You can allow access to everyone, specific users, or groups. Administrators can also block specific users from accessing a matter. Blocking overrides other permissions. You can set up matter notifications so selected users receive updates when the matter status changes or when documents are uploaded. Related contacts can also be added. These contacts will appear on the matter dashboard and be included in conflict checks. Custom fields can be used to store additional information that is specific to your workflow. Billing preferences are also set at the matter level. You can mark the matter as billable, choose a billing method, and apply custom billing rates if needed. Budgets can be added to track spending. You can enable split invoices and set trust balance notifications to alert users when trust funds are low. Task lists can be attached to the matter to keep work organized. Documents are another key part of Matters. You can create folders within a matter to organize files such as pleadings, contracts, and evidence. This makes it easier to find documents later. Clio also supports reporting. Attorney allocation settings allow you to define how collected funds are distributed between originating and responsible attorneys. Once everything is set, click Save and the matter will be added to your system. After creating matters, you can manage related tasks, documents, time entries, and billing all from the matter dashboard. This keeps everything connected and easy to track. As you continue using Clio, you can explore other sections like contacts to manage client information, documents to handle file storage, communications to log emails and calls, and reports to analyze firm data. Integrations allow you to connect Clio with other tools you already use. Settings is where you manage firm preferences, user roles, permissions, billing settings, and integrations. Spending some time in settings helps tailor Clio to your firm's workflow. This brings us to the end of this Clio tutorial. We covered account setup, dashboard navigation, tasks, calendar, time tracking, billing, and matter management. With these basics, you can confidently start using Clio for legal case management and gradually explore more advanced features as your needs grow. Thanks for watching.